Weight loss isn't about motivation. It's about environment. These kitchen tools quietly control how much you eat without effort. You don't need supplements or fancy appliances. You need tools that make healthy eating automatic. Let me show you the best ones. Your brain fills plates, not calories. Smaller plates naturally reduce portions. Same food, fewer calories. No willpower required. This isn't for tracking forever. It's for learning portion sizes. Use short-term. Awareness beats guessing. Oil is calorie-dense. Reducing oil without changing food equals instant fat loss win. Same taste, less fat. If you don't see water, you won't drink it. Hydration reduces fake hunger. Keep it visible. Healthy food only works if it's ready. Containers remove excuses. Less ordering out, less overeating. Eating slower improves fullness signals. Timers remind you to slow down. Eat mindfully. Better digestion, less food. Your kitchen should support your goals, not fight them. Change the environment, and weight loss becomes easier. If this helped, like and subscribe to FlipFitYourself. Comment tools if you want my complete fat loss kitchen checklist.